I want to start this video off with another challenge. In the last video, I asked you guys to get 500 likes for me to buy the most hyped and anticipated Jordan 1 in 2021. You guys didn't do it, so I'm going to give you guys another chance. And I think we'll make it a little easier one more time. After that, we're going to go back. Guys, 450 likes on this video you're watching right now, and I will buy, that's right, I will go buy the most hyped, anticipated, expensive Air Jordan 1 in 2021 that I think is going to wind up being the Jordan 1 of the entire year, possibly sneaker of the year. I'm calling it already. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you guys want me to buy this Jordan 1. And trust me, I know you guys want me to buy this Jordan 1. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. This Sole Premise bag is awesome. Let me show you guys the features of this Sole Premise bag. First of all, it is made of high quality red leather. On the inside, I do have a pair of bread 1's. On the other side here, I could put more sneakers, maybe some clothing, toiletries, anything like that. Right here in the middle compartment, you can see I do have my MacBook. I could also put some more stuff, some more clothing, and another compartment for more clothing, more sneakers if I need to. Take a look, I do have some UNC 3s as well as a pair of Mocha Jordan 1's right there. On the front of the bag, you do have two nice high quality zippers for some more storage, and one of my favorite features of this bag has got to be the bottom. And one of my favorite features about this bag has got to be the bottom. On the bottom, I do have a pair of Jordan 1's right here. Zip this up, I'm good to go. Sole Premise guys, make sure you guys check them out. The link is down below in the description, and make sure you guys use my discount code DannyMoore to save 40% off your order. I gotta give a huge shout out to Sole Premise for sponsoring this video. Once again, make sure you guys check out the bags down below with the link in the description, and make sure you guys use my discount code. My name, Danny Moore, will save you 40% off solepremise.com. I do have what's going on around the world, so I just want to get straight into this. I do not feel good, but I gotta bring you guys some content. With that being said, I did buy on a restock a pair of Jordan 1's that is going to go up in price. This is a very cheap Jordan 1 right now. They're going for right around retail at around $90 to $100, maybe $110, and they will go up in price. This is a clean Jordan 1. You really can't go wrong with this colorway, with this style. It's a dope shoe. A bunch of Jordan 1's are going up in price, whether it's a low top, a mid, even, of course, the highs. There are a bunch of good colorways of Jordan 1's out there, and a lot of them are just going up. Some take longer than others, but most of them are going up in price. So today we're going to take a look at a pair of Jordan 1's that will go up in price. It has not yet. Buy this sneaker now. It is not too late. Buy them now. They're a great investment. They're very cheap. You will be able to at least double your money. Guys, I'm not, an advisor, a financial advisor. Buy this shoe, buy this shoe. I just give you guys my advice. And my opinion here on this channel, this is a Jordan 1 to buy. Simple as that. Pick them up while you can. I do think these will go up in price. This Jordan 1 is actually a low top. You got the box right here, black and gold. You got the tissue paper with the white with the 23 all over it. And we have, here they are, the Jordan 1 reverse bread low. I did pick these up from Dick's Sporting Goods, and what's kind of crazy is when I open the packaging, I did tweet out a picture, I'll put it up for you guys, saying and showing that the package actually came from Nike. I purchased them from Dick's Sporting Goods, which I think was pretty weird how they came from Nike. I guess they were drop shipping, I don't know, that was unique. But here they are, the Jordan 1 reverse bread low. I have not talked about these ever on the channel. I think it is now the right time to do so. Guys, this is a clean Jordan 1. Take a look at the reverse high breads, the 85 pair. Not the same by any means, I understand that. However, the colorway is the same, right? The color blocking is essentially the same. It's just a low top, right? You do have the wing logo on the back and a Jumpman, which I know some people are not going to be afraid, a fan of. However, guys, they're easily going to double. I definitely think they're going to double in price. Easily hit 200. 220 easy in pretty much every size, especially grade school. Grade school 5.5 through 7 doing very well. They will do very well. Any size really. I think any size will do pretty well in the Jordan 1 reverse bred low. You know, go through 8 through 13, 7 through 13. I think they'll all do pretty well. So a very clean shoe. These are dope. Retail was $90. If you can get them for $90, I do suggest picking up some pairs. Hold on to them if you can, if you have capital. If you have capital. I think this is a shoe you will have to hold on to for some time. Jordan 1 lows do go up in price. They do restock. They do make a lot of pairs, right? They make a lot of pairs. So I do think they definitely will go up in price. However, it takes some time. I would say give it 6 to 8 months and they should go up a decent amount in price. A very nice shoe. They're clean. Quality's not bad. I like the colors. I like the material. I like the shoe a lot. They're dope. Guys, pick them up now while you can. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 1 reverse bred low. Do you think they'll go up in price? What do you think about the lows, the mids? You know, they're going up in price, guys. They really are. They're cheaper investments that are really good returns on the end of the day. Look, if you can double your money, that's awesome, right? If you can make, you know, 50%, 60%, that's awesome. So this is a clean shoe. They'll definitely go up in price. A cheaper investment, if you have some capital, hold on to some pairs. If you don't, then don't. You know, if you don't have money to be holding on to pairs, quick flip could be your thing. This is not a shoe you're going to want to quick flip right now. Let me know what you guys think about the colorway, though. Do you guys like these? Do you like the bred colorway better? Personally, of course, the OG, the bred, but I do think the reverse bred is a very clean, dope shoe. I do want to buy a pair of the 85 highs. I think those are fire. Absolutely dope. So let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Hitting that thumbs up really does help this video go a longer way here in YouTube. So please, guys, hit that thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoy sneaker content. We got a brand new giveaway going on Instagram very soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned or follow me on Instagram. I'll leave that down below in the description, and make sure you guys, once again, check out Sole Premise. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go cop a bag at solepremise.com. Use my discount code for 40% off. Everything is down below in the description. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.